This is a recipe you need in your life. Rice paper rolls with a Thai peanut butter dipping sauce is not only quick and easy to make, but they taste amazing. First thing you'll want to do is make the Thai peanut butter sauce. In a medium bowl, combine 2 cups of soft peanut butter, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons Hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, lime juice from half a lime, 1 large garlic clove diced, 1 tablespoon Sriracha hot sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Using a hand blender, blend it all up. You should have a medium thick sauce after blending, perfect for dipping and holding onto the roll. Now, working with the goose breast, ideally with skin on, score the skin with a sharp knife. Creating a shallow crosshatch pattern that doesn't cut into the meat will help the fat render out from under the skin during the cook. When you're all done scoring, season the skin with salt, white pepper, and Chinese 5-spice, and repeat on the other side. When it comes to cooking the goose breast, place the breast skin side down on a cold cast iron flat top or pan. Then turn the heat to medium-high. As the cast iron starts to warm up, the fat from under the skin will start to render out. If you were to start with a preheated cooking surface, the fat wouldn't fully render out before the meat was properly cooked. After about 5 to 7 minutes, you should see lots of fat rendering out and the edges of the skin turning brown. This is your sign to flip. Your skin should be nicely golden brown. Continue to cook the breast for another few minutes or until you reach a medium rare cook, which is an internal temperature of 130 degrees. Cooking the breast to a max of medium rare will help the meat taste cleaner and be tender, very similar to a beef steak. If you go over this temp, you will start to taste iron-like flavors, along with it being tougher and have a grainier texture. So please, do yourself a favor and only cook your goose or duck breast to rare or medium rare for the best outcome. When the breast is done, remove and let it rest uncovered for 10 minutes before slicing into thin strips of meat. When you're ready to make your rolls, assemble all your sliced veggies, sliced meat, rice paper sheets, and a shallow dish with some warm water on a large working surface so they are all easily reached. First, dip a single sheet of rice paper in the warm water and let it soak for 5 to 10 seconds. It should still be pretty stiff when you take it out, but it will become soft. Working with the end of the roll closest to you, lay 2 to 3 slices of green onion, red pepper, cucumber, carrots, lettuce, and top with the meat at the end. Make sure you leave a 1.5 to 2 inch gap around all the ingredients. To roll it up properly, fold over the sides first. Then roll away from you, trying to keep things tight but not too tight, as the rice paper can rip. Repeat until all the ingredients are used up. You should get about 6 to 8 rolls from this recipe. Feel free to adjust the veggies to whatever you have on hand. This is a great recipe to use up those leftovers in the fridge. When you're ready to serve, place the rolls on a dish along with the tasty Thai peanut butter dipping sauce and dig in.
Hey folks, hope you enjoyed that video. Please hit the like button, comment, as we'd love to know how you felt about it. And if you'd like more great Canadian adventures, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any new content coming out. And as always, our amazing outdoor adventures are shared on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please come along for the adventure. We'd absolutely love to have you along for the ride.